the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Copycat Chick-fil-A sandwiches. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 chicken breasts. I have 2 nicely sized chicken breasts, so I'm just going to cut them in half. We're also going to need 2 cups of milk or buttermilk, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 large egg, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm using brioche hamburger buns. And we're also going to need peanut oil to fry your chicken breast in. Okay guys, the first thing I did was cut my chicken breast in half. So now I have 4 pieces. Next, we're going to get our 2 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 egg. And now you want to go ahead and get you a bowl and a whisk. Okay guys, in my bowl I added the 2 cups of milk, the 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of salt. So this is our brine. Once that's mixed well, you want to go ahead and put your chicken breast in. Make sure they're nice and covered. And we're going to put that into the refrigerator covered for 30 minutes. Guys, you can also leave it up to 2 hours if you would like. I'm doing 30 minutes today. Once it's covered, you can go ahead and put it in your refrigerator. Okay guys, next you want to get a bowl. We're going to make our dredging mix. You're going to add your 1.5 cups of flour. You're going to add your 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then you're going to take your 2 teaspoons of paprika, add that in. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now all you want to do is get your whisk and mix that in real well. Okay guys, once the dredging mix is mixed very well, get yourself a rack, which I like to use, and also you can take your chicken now, and we're going to go ahead put that into our dredging mix. Just make sure it's covered up. Make sure every piece of the chicken is well coated. Once it is, give it a little shake, and all you want to do is sit it over on your rack. You do that to each piece. Okay guys, each of your chicken breasts should be well coated like so. Next, we're going to go ahead to our pan and we're going to put our peanut oil in there. Okay guys, I have my pan and I have enough oil in there to deep fry our chicken breast. Remember guys, you have to use peanut oil. Once our peanut oil has heated up, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken breast in, and we're going to cook them for 4 to 5 minutes. Our chicken breasts are cooking up nicely, as you can see. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and move our chicken breast over to the cooling rack. Okay guys, as you can see, the chicken has turned out beautiful. It's nice and golden and crispy. I'm going to let that cool off, and I will be right back. Guys, don't forget about the pickle chips. I almost forgot about them. But this is another one of your ingredients. Okay guys, next I have my brioche buns, and all I'm going to do is toast them. Just for a couple minutes. Okay guys, my brioche buns are toasted, and I had a little bit of Chick-fil-A sauce I've made earlier. You could check on my page, I have a recipe for that. So all we're going to do now is put it on your bun. We're going to get our pickles. Here you have it, guys. As you can see, it's nice and crispy and golden. These are your Copycat Chick-fil-A sandwiches. Okay guys, we're going to take one more look before I put the tops of the buns on. Copycat Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please come back again. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef.